As a North Carolina teaching fellow here at North Carolina A&T State University. We start off straight from our freshman year doing hands-on field experience in schools. My first experience here as a freshman was at the middle college, where I did observations in 2 classes. Mainly my observations focused on the classroom management of the teachers, and I also had a chance to work with the students individually and tutor with them and see, okay, this is what I would possibly be working with as soon as I get out into the workforce. Then during my sophomore year, I participated in a program called SMART, which was a tutorial program helping and assisting students in the elementary schools grades mainly 3, 4th, and 5th grade on how to read, learn, and spell on their grade level. Now, during this, I also experienced a little bit of classroom management because I was the site director, and I was mainly not only in charge of the students themselves, but also the tutors. So I also had to deal with the behavior problems if there weren't any, and kind of had to manage the whole classroom, if you will. I also took some necessary skills from that particular experience because that spring semester, my sophomore year, I also had a chance to work with an individual. This one was also at the middle college, who was unable to read on his grade level. And this in the math class, I found it interesting because I didn't really see or necessarily pay attention to the reading element in math. So when I found a student that I was working with who had trouble reading word problems, I was fortunate enough to have those skills that I obtained from SMART to say, okay, I know how to deal with this student. Okay, sit down. Hey, this is how we're going to work with it. So far, I've been able to just gain experience as a whole, from whether it's different classrooms, outside where I'm working, I'm paying attention to the teacher. Okay, this is how she's teaching. This is what she puts in her lesson plan. Okay, this student is talking out of turn. This student needs help. How does she manage that? And then also in the classroom myself, where I'm the student, I'm also looking at how's this teacher teaching me? And then I'm asking questions, how does he respond, how does she respond? So I'm just, as a whole, observing myself and then trying to fit it into my persona and how I want to display myself when I get into the classroom.